The first element of tax-free money is your personal allowance of £12,500. You can earn that money anyway in your incomes from profit from the businesses, or investing somewhere, and taking dividend, your property income. No matter where that money comes from, as far as is illegal, there is no tax to be paid up to £12,500. On top of that, you can earn £5,000 of personal saving allowance without any tax if your income is less than 50k. If your income exceeds 50k, there are slightly different rules. On top of that, you get another £1,000 from your saving income, which is taxed at 0%. So in total, you can earn money from your saving accounts or other interest bearing sources up to £6,000, and you don't have to pay any tax on that. The third element of tax-free money is your dividend income. If you are running your own private limited company, or if you're investing in big companies which pay dividends, you can get up to £2,000 of dividend tax-free. Now, I have made another video which guides you on how to invest on the companies which pay you big money in dividends if you have money to invest in those companies. So these are the three commonly known sources of income where you can earn money without paying any tax. Apart from that, if you have a small business where you make sales of up to £1,000, that £1,000 is tax-free. Then if you let your property for a little while and you make £1,000 as rent from that property, that is also tax-free. If you rent out a room from your own house, that is rent a room allowance of £7,500, quite a big amount of money which you can rent out from, but it has to be your own accommodation. So if you're sharing your accommodation, you can make a rent of up to £7,500 tax-free. Another area where you can earn money and you don't have to pay any tax is your ISAs. If you invest in a saving account under ISA, no matter how much you make, and that is separate from your personal saving allowance, no matter how much you make, you don't have to pay any tax. If you don't want to deposit money in a saving account in the current environment where the rate of interest is very low, so you will have very little interest coming in, you may want to invest in shares and securities ISA, where you can buy shares in different companies, and this is the right time to buy. I'm not a financial advisor, but that's my general understanding, is that this is the right time to buy as the stock market is down. If you want to invest money in companies under ISA, no matter how much you make in that ISA, that would be tax free. That would come as your capital gain, though. If you sell an item which is not your personal accommodation, if you sell a car, for example, and you make more than you can make up to £13,000 capital gain as tax-free. So if you know all this and if you play the rules properly, you can actually make a lot of money without having to pay any tax. I hope you like this video, and if you need more information about that, you can contact us via our website rmraccountants.co.uk, and please like this video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to my channel where I will be recording more videos on the related topics.